Hey, what's going on everyone? This is Aki here. Welcome to this tutorial video. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple way to make upwards of $100 per day online. The strategy we are going to be using is what is commonly referred to as affiliate marketing. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it simply means you promoting other people's products and getting paid commissions for your sales when people actually buy these products through you. Now, this type of affiliate marketing does not involve you to buy any product. You don't need inventory because we are going to be promoting digital products. These are products that are online, they are digital products, they are information products, sometimes they are software products that you can easily promote and get up to 50% commissions per sale. Now, in average, some of these products cost like $15 to $17, and then you get 50%, which means you're going to be getting somewhere around, let's say, $7, $8 for just one sale. Now, you could make 10 sales, you could make probably five, you could make more than that depending on how much time you are willing to invest in this. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and do this on completely free traffic. Even if you don't understand anything about making money online or anything about affiliate marketing, just pay close attention in this video. And if you are new to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button if you want to stay up to date. You want me to share with you what's actually going on at any point in time in the affiliate marketing space. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So the affiliate network we are going to be using is Warrior Plus. That's warriorplus.com. This is where we are going to find the products that we are going to be promoting, and then we will need to request for our affiliate link. When we get approved, we would get our affiliate link, and this is the link that we will promote in order to get these commissions. Now you can have a look at my account here. I have $79.42 available for me to withdraw. Now I have $487 pending, meaning within 30 days or less, this would be available for me to withdraw. So I do this from time to time, and depending on how much time you are willing to invest, that's what's going to determine how much you can actually make. I have a couple of accounts. On another account, I already have $103 available for me to withdraw, and I have some pending like $6, that will soon be available. Usually within 30 days of getting that sale, you are going to be able to withdraw this money to your PayPal account. So if you go to under affiliate, so it's free to sign up with Warrior Plus. You simply visit warriorplus.com. I might drop a link to warriorplus.com in the description of this video. Simply visit the website, sign up for free. This is completely free. If you go to under affiliates, if you go to offers, that's where you're going to be able to find the products that you can promote. If you go to offers, you are going to find products here that you can promote. And one good thing is the products that are actually getting a ton of sales, you are going to find them at the top, meaning you already know that these products are going to get you sales. It's actually easy to promote this product. Mostly these are software products that actually help people with affiliate marketing also. So this is going to be easy for you to promote. So what you want to do is click on the link next to it. Now I have my affiliate link for this product already. That's why it's green. So this is my affiliate link for the product. I can just get this link. If I share this link anywhere now, either on social media or I send out emails, people click on this link, they purchase this product, I am going to be getting paid commissions on these sales. So that's how easy it is. But you need to request, for your approval before you can get your link. Now, like this product now, I haven't requested to promote this product. So I click on request. It's going to take me to the page where I can request and get my affiliate link. So I'll only need to click on request approval here, and then you can actually give the vendor, that's the owner of the product, some information about how you intend to promote, like, hi, I want to promote to my Facebook audience or something like that, and then you click on request offer. Once you're approved, you are going to be able to pick up your link just by clicking on get link, and then you'll be able to get your affiliate link just like that. So this is the link that you need to promote in order to start getting sales. Now, what you need is something that allows you to promote these links to a very wide audience. Now, one platform where I get a ton of free traffic from is Facebook. Now, Facebook groups, to be precise. Now, there are so many Facebook groups about making money online, about affiliate marketing, about digital or internet marketing, where you can actually, share your links in order to get sales. But never share your link directly on Facebook, because even if you do, chances are you are going to get blocked. Facebook does not like spamming. That is what is called spamming, because you are actually not giving any value at all. Instead, you are just pasting your link here and there, everywhere, and that will definitely get you banned. That is not what you want to do. Instead, you want to find a way to create value, like writing an article about the product. It might be a review about the product. It might be information generally about making money online. And then you can actually drop your link, somewhere, in the article. Or if you can create videos, you can actually create videos like YouTube videos showing people how to make money online. And that way you can actually send them to your links. It could be on TikTok. It could be on any social media platform. That being said, I understand that so many people are not so comfortable with creating videos. So many people don't know how to do that. Now, there are a number of ways you can actually find, a solution to that. Now, one major way would be to use a software that makes the job easy for you. Now, this software right here allows you to use other people's content, to deliver value, to give people value. And using this content, people can now click on your affiliate links and make purchases through you. Now, you don't have to create videos. You don't have to write articles. You don't have to create content. Rather, you can use other people's video, to get your affiliate sales. So you can create different types of campaigns in this software right here. All you need to do is click on create, image ad, button ad, call to actions, or form, depending on the type of campaign you want to create. So let's just say I'm going to be creating an image ad. So let me just click on create image ad now. And then I'll need to give this campaign a name, like how to make money online. And then I can just copy the name and use it as the video title also. Now, this is where you can actually search for videos. The software allows you to search for videos from YouTube that you can use in any niche, to promote your own product. So let's say make money online. You can just add a keyword there and click on search now. And it's actually going to fetch videos for you from YouTube that you can freely use and actually add your own link on top of these videos. So you can actually go through the videos from the results to see whichever one you want to use for your campaign. So let's just say this one, and you can see our video has been selected. This shows you how to make money to PayPal, just like you can with Warrior Plus. So let's just search for money. Also, this is going to be the thumbnail for that's the image cover for your video. Let's also click on search now, and you can just come here, look for any of the images you want to use. Let's say this one, and then our image will also be displayed. Now you need to upload the image that's going to show up on the video. So let me just click on choose file, and then I can actually upload image from my computer to show up on the video that I am using. So let me just select this one. So you can actually see the image right here, and then you can actually specify when this image is going to show up on the video. So let me just say 3 seconds, after 3 seconds, and it's going to go out after 300 seconds. You can also specify where this is going to show up. Let's just say it shows up on the right. That's where it's going to show up on the video, and also if you want the video to autoplay or not. And then you can go and get your affiliate link now. So let me just go and get my affiliate link for the product I want to promote. Let me get the link here. Now this is my link. I'm going to copy it. I've copied my link. I'm going to come here, and then I'm going to paste my affiliate link. So if anybody actually clicks on this image, it's going to take them to this link. If they purchase the product, I'm going to be getting paid in my Warrior Plus account, which I can withdraw to my PayPal. So this is the campaign. Our campaign is ready. All you need to do is click on create campaign. Now let's preview our campaign to see what our campaign looks like. And then you can see our campaign has been created with the video. Now this is a URL, this is a link you can now share. If anybody actually plays this video.
Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to teach you how to get 2 things with just your phone, no laptop or computer required. So the very first.
Now you are going to see that our image is actually showing up right here on the video, and this is what happens when you go to Facebook groups. You can go and search for Facebook groups on how to make money online. This is just an example here, and then you can actually post to this group. Now look at this group. This group has 331,000.8 members which are active on the group, and you can come and actually get your link. If you copy the link here for the campaign, you can actually come and post your content right here in this Facebook group. The cool thing is you are actually delivering value by sharing this video that shows people how to make money online. Now your link is actually on this video. So if anybody actually clicks on your link, it's going to take them to the sales page of the product. Now this is the sales page of the product, and if anybody actually purchases this product, they've clicked on your link. If anybody actually purchases this product, you are going to be getting paid straight to your Warrior Plus account, which you can actually withdraw to your PayPal or to your bank account. So that's how easy it is to actually get paid with affiliate marketing. Now here you can actually, say, okay, want to learn how to get paid online easily, find out here. And then you can see, you're going to see that our campaign is actually showing up here with the image. You can actually search for some attention grabbing images, and then you can actually post your campaign right here to this Facebook page. Now there's a ton of Facebook pages, and then you can see that my campaign has actually been posted here in a group that has over 331,000 members. Now there's a ton of Facebook groups that you can actually search and join, so you can actually post in these groups and this allows you to get a ton of free traffic to start making easy affiliate commissions. Now, if you want to get access to this software that allows you to do these campaigns, just check the link in the description of this video. If you click on that link, it's going to take you to the sales page of the product, which looks like this. This is called VDZ. It actually allows you to use other people's viral videos to make hundreds of dollars every single day, and this traffic is completely free traffic. So this is where you're going to be able to pick it up, and this is where you're also going to be getting full information about the software. So that's it with these training videos. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for checking out this training video, and I'll see you in the next.